Alrighty, welcome to section 9 where we're going to talk about preferences. So if you're on the Mac operating system or Mac OS, you're going to go up to the top left corner here, click on AfterEffects and go to Preferences, and we'll click on General just so we can see all the different preferences. If you're on PC, preferences should be in the main menu. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over an overview of what we're going to be learning in this section. So we're going to be covering the following. We're going to talk about general, and these are all preferences. So general, preferences, previews, display, import, output, grids and guides, labels, media and video cache, video preview, appearance, new project, autosave, memory and performance, audio hardware, audio output mapping, sync settings, type, scripting and expressions, 3D, and notifications. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.